Hi everybody, I'm Tara.
I'm Chica.
Welcome to another crafting session for Primp and Play. Today we are going to be making some really sweet paper plate bird's nests. And the items that we need today are
A paper plate, glue, scissors, hole punch.
optional,
That's optional if you need.
a blue
Crayon, marker, paint, and brown paint, marker, crayon, whatever you have. And cupcake liners.
Cupcake liners are optional. If you have them, great. If you don't, construction paper will work just fine.
And you can use, we just use a sprout bag.
A grocery store paper bag that you get groceries in, or the other thing that you could do is use a paper lunch bag. Brown, white, whatever works is totally fine. The idea with the crafts that we do is that you could find items from anywhere in your house and just get creative with them. So the items that we have are not must-haves, but we can help you give some other options so that you can find whatever while we're stuck in the house and make it cool project. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a paper plate, and the idea is that the top half of this plate is going to be the sky, and the bottom half of the plate is going to be the nest. And so we already got one started a little bit, but you want to tell them what we did first?
So first, you're gonna paint the top,
Or color it.
or color it, whatever you want.
So you're
And
going
then,
to do the top half blue.
and then you're gonna do the bottom half black.
And with the blue, what we did is we added in a little bit of glitter on top just to make it a little fancy.
And make it like the sun is flooding.
Yeah, and you could add some yellow sun, you could add some clouds, whatever it makes you happy. And the next thing that we would want to do is put in our nest. So for the nest, what we did is we took a paper bag, like we said, and we basically just tore it up into tiny pieces.
So, and then once you're done, you can just put it on the bottom.
Yep, you're going to kind of fold it up a little bit to kind of make it look nest-like. And then we're using a hot glue gun. If you're using a hot glue gun, be sure to have a parent help you. If you are using
Elmer's glue,
just make sure that you leave the plate flat for a bit so that it dries without your whole nest falling off. And you really just take all these different pieces of paper and kind of crumble them up a little bit, all different shapes, all different sizes, and just put them on.
and I'm also going to do some, and I'm just using Elmer's glue. She's using a glue gun. And all you're going to need to do is just get that glue.
Yeah, and we can kind of show you a little bit. Yeah, we could just show them this one. I think it's stuck. You know how glue gets stuck? We got a little stuck glue there, so we'll just continue with our glue gun. And we're just going to show you a few little pieces so that you get the idea. We'll show you the finished product. So as you see, we just started taking these pieces of paper and just gluing them all over the bottom. Like I said, you could see writing, you could see paper, we could see the coloring behind, whatever works. But that's why we color it brown behind so that the paper is has some brown behind it in case you miss some stuff. Yeah. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a little bird. So we're going to make two different birds to show you how. One out of a cupcake liner and one out of construction paper. So on the cupcake liner, all we do is
fold it
in half.
Easy as possible. If you want, you can cut your own bird.
Yeah, we're going to show you that next.
If you said that.
So we're going to fold it in half.
And then you're going to glue the back.
Yeah. Just a little bit of glue. Yeah, we have a zebra bird here.
Yep.
The thing with the cupcake liner is if you want it to be kind of a little, okay, if you want it to kind of flap in the air, you can leave it up. If you want it to be flat on the paper, you would glue it down. Now, it's still a little bit confusing as to it being a bird right now, right? So we're going to show you what a little beak looks like. So do you want to cut out a little beak for them?
I want to draw beak.
No, let's cut out a beak. So the beak we could cut out with construction paper,
Cupcake liner,
or some of the paper bag that you have left. And this is just another little bird we're making using another smaller cupcake liner. So this is a baby bird. Okay, for the beak, we just cut a small triangle. And we put some glue on the back.
Once you stop.
Let's show them where this goes first.
And now I'm going to draw.
So you can start to see the bird, right? And then for the eye, you could color it in, or we have some fun. You want to use a sticker? We had some old heart stickers.
Show up. So yeah, we'll do
the heart eye or star eye. Okay, so those are just little adhesive stickers. So truly, whatever you have around your house. We have a baby pom-pom that could be an eye. Anything works. So
I'm just trying to make it like quick. And if you want to leave it like flapping in the air, it could be like spooky-ish.
So see our little bird? And I think we should give this guy a tail. So we had a feather. Again, you could use construction paper. You could use anything you have. A little tail. A fancy bird. So there he is with his tail.
You can't really tell.
Now, if you don't have the cupcake liner, you're going to make the bird out of construction paper. This is just mold paper that we have.
Or like regular paper.
And what you're going to want to do is make a giant capital D. Just like this.
And then you cut it.
And then we'll cut it. Childproof scissors if you have those, if you're cutting as a kid.
If not, ask your parents to help you.
Yep, for sure.
And it might be a little tricky for you on the bump on the top. So ask a parent to help you if you get
Oh, on the round part?
Yeah.
Okay. So here we go. We have it's cut out. And you see this is the belly of the bird. This is where the beak is going to go and the eye.
And I'm just going to make a full part.
Yeah, let's wait for a minute. Step at a time, right? I don't want to get everybody confused.
No.
Jason? Yeah. Put this bird's going to go in here. Tuck him under his little nest.
Oh. The glue is falling off.
No, I don't think I put any up there, I guess. Put already up there. Okay. You want to color an eye on for him?
I'm going to do a purple eye. We do a purple eye with 5.
Okay.
What we did is through a circle, and then we did a circle like that.
You can see that. And then he needs a beak. So maybe we can just put long beak.
I'll cut it.
Well,
this one.
Green on green? The all green bird?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's going to be an all green bird. He's going to be an all green bird this time. Small. Okay. Not small.
Very little.
Maybe it's a bit. Everybody's a baby, so it makes no sense.
Okay.
Wait, should we write? See, it's saying like this. It's like hi.
Or you want to do it for eye? Sure.
It was. Oh, so there's that.
Okay.
And this is, let's say, a little poem saying hi.
Right, cute. Okay.
Then they can tie that.
Okay, you can open that later. And then if you want to put this like in your home, something you could do
Get a hole punch.
get a hole punch.
You put it in here and put it where you can put it wherever you want. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Then you just hole punch up.
You take a string, fold it in half,
Tie a knot up top.
tie a knot right at the end so that you have a little loop. This is the easiest way to make hoops.
So you put it through the back in the bowl. Then you make it. Then you open the
loop.
and then you put this inside of that loop, and then you let go up with it. Here.
There you go. Make it again.
And then
There you go. So here's some examples. Yep, and we have some other examples that we made earlier. So
or
this
you
is
can just like put it.
yeah, or you can lay it down as a centerpiece. This is
The bird we made.
a little bird family. This is a bird that my son made.
Except one of the birds fell off. So.
It did.
Yeah.
And so here's another one that we made. So you can see all different types of birds, all different types of ideas.
The beak went away.
Lost
it away.
That's okay. You have a sticker beak.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a sticker beak that says excellent. With a heart from Valentine's Day, but
That's all right.
it doesn't do it.
That's okay. We reuse the stuff, right?
I'm gonna make it here though. There we go. It looks a little cray-cray.
That's all right. That's all right. All right. Thank you for watching. And if you have any ideas of different crafts that you would like us to do with you or different themes, please let us know. And have a great day.
Thank you. Bye. See you next time.
See you next time.